Let me read you a poem, the title of which is A Tale of a Sprinter in the Winter of 1938. I'm an athlete from Berlin. My feet are fast and swift. I can run faster than anyone. Truly, this is the Lord's gift. Any race I participate in, I always come in first, for I tell myself I have to win. It's like a great thirst. Even if someone somehow passes me, I put on an extra burst of speed and run past him, leaving him behind. Thus, I take the lead. I once thought if I keep running this way, I might be in the Olympics someday. But now the year is 1938, and for my dreams, it's just too late. My running days are all gone. I'm not going to see tomorrow's dawn. Yes, it is true that I can run very fast, but it is also true that I am a Jew. There's no running from the Holocaust. Today, the 27th of January, is Holocaust Memorial Day. As many of you will know, the word Holocaust means destruction or loss of life on a massive scale, and Holocaust is the name given to the atrocities committed during the 1930s and 40s by the Nazi regime under Adolf Hitler, especially against the Jewish people. On this day, in many parts of our world, time is taken to reflect on the tragedy of the Holocaust, in which over 6 million Jews were murdered. Murdered because, like many others, they didn't fit Hitler's ideal of the master race. When I visited the concentration camp in Dachau in Munich some years ago, standing in the rooms in which the Jews had slept in horrific conditions and rooms in which they were gassed, I read an inscription of just 2 words: never again. Sadly and shamefully, it has happened again. Recent decades have witnessed genocide in Rwanda, Cambodia, Bosnia, and East Timor. Genocide continues in Darfur and Myanmar, each revealing a very dark aspect of human nature. With nationalist politics and xenophobia on the rise in our world today, it's more important than ever to commemorate the Holocaust, so the world can be reminded of what can result when toxic ideologies grip entire countries and continents. In addition, commemorating the Holocaust serves as a reminder to each one of us to stand up against hatred and racism and discrimination early on, in order that it doesn't have the chance to grow into something more, something truly horrific. We say the Lord's Prayer together. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.